Reported speech, helping verb questions. Using if, whether. He said, "Am I correct?" He asked if he was correct. She said, "Were you busy?" She asked if I had been busy. He said, "Will you help?" He asked if I would help. He said, "Are you attending?" He asked if I was attending. He asked, "Were you playing?" He asked me if I had been playing. She asked, "Have you finished?" She asked whether I had finished. He said, "Can you lend me your book?" He asked if I could lend him my book. He said, "Will she come to the party?" He wondered if she would come to the party. She said, "Could you please help me with this assignment?" She asked if I could help her with that assignment. He said, "Would you like some coffee?" He asked if I would like some coffee. She said, "May I borrow your pen?" She asked if she might borrow my pen. They said, "Should we start the meeting now?" They wondered if they should start the meeting then. He said, "Must I finish this by today?" He asked if he must finish that by that day. She said, "Can they join us for dinner?" She asked if they could join them for dinner. He asked, "Will you be attending the conference?" He asked if I would be attending the conference. She said, "Could you open the window, please?" She asked if I could open the window. He asked, "Would you mind passing me the salt?" He asked if I would mind passing him the salt. She said, "May I use your phone?" She asked if she might use my phone. He said, "Should I call him back later?" He wondered if he should call him back later. She said, "Must they complete the assignment today?" She asked if they must complete the assignment that day. He said, "Can I have a piece of cake?" He asked if he could have a piece of cake.